Want to turn your Trello board into a Trello template that you could use over and over again? Watch this. First thing first, you will need a premium Trello account to create templates. Templates cannot be created in the free or standard versions of Trello. Now that that is understood, head over to Trello.com and go ahead and click Login. Okay, it's going to bring you to the main Trello page. You want to just go ahead and enter your information to log in. I'm going to just continue as Faceless Boss Biz. Once you are logged in, it's going to bring you to this main page. And what you want to do, you want to go ahead and click on the board that you want to make a template. So this is the one I want to use right here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, now the board is open. We're going to go ahead over here to the top right corner, these three dots right here. We're going to click on that. This is going to open the menu. We want to scroll down to make a template. Let's click on that. It's going to create a pop-up. That pop-up is going to say, turn this board into a template for others to copy. That's exactly what the goal of this video is. We want to make this template a copy. So let's go ahead and make copy. Once the template is made, it's going to automatically open the description for the template for you to go ahead and, give a little details about it. You can click on this edit button right here to go ahead and edit it to match your brand's board and voice. We'll confirm that it's a template right here. It's already open. You can again see it right here. Let's go ahead and close this to get this out of our way. Okay, what we want to do, we want to go ahead and rename this board. So we're going to click on the title right here. I'm going to take this private out because this is a product that I will be selling. I'm going to my title is going to be done for you. And I'm just put this in parentheses, click anywhere, and then it automatically saves. Okay, and now you can see here, this is now our template. Now that you've created your Trello template, in the next video, I'll show you how to turn it into a shareable link. Be sure to check the description box below for the link to that video. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more done for you digital product tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.